I thought I was late. We are at the toll.
We'll be there in 2 minutes.
There's our boy.
Hi.
What's up, dude? Nothing like good coffee and a morning ride. Wow, just feels so fresh. It's awesome and beautiful climate. Whoa, what is that? What am I hearing? Guys, that was not planned. I am telling you, it was absolutely not planned. I don't know who these guys are, and I'm telling you, they are going under 50 kilometers per hour. So we are here and it's like super hot. Place is not that clean. I want to jump in and I'm not sure now because it's not that clean, you know. It has to be clean. Only then you will want to jump into the water. I mean, it's a beautiful place. You can come and shoot probably the sunrise. It's an epic place.
Hey,
What do you think of the place?
I'm speechless now.
Very good place, but lot of dirty.
Underwears, plastics.
Oh,
You can find all sorts of
how come
specimens
you
here.
first spotted the underwear?
It's purely visible. It's reflecting. The sunlight. See the sunlight here.
Sunlight reflects underwears, huh? Mark your territory, bro. Go ahead, do it. Yeah, I think Daytona is the one. Oh, nice. Good boy. Mr. Farhan, how do you feel being the honorable chief guest of the Skipping Rock Challenge at Dandiganahalli area?
I feel very honored.
Yes.
Thanks to give this opportunity.
So this is my first stone, right? And have you got all the three? Awesome. Shreyas is getting it from a different place.
I went off guard and found these 3 precious stones.
Alright.
Which will give me victory.
I want to bribe our judge and win this because I have to look good in my own channel, man. Hey Farhan, do you think we can have a deal?
What? Tell me, how do you go about it?
Maybe I'll give you free coffee and yeah. Hey, what's up? Yeah, okay, let's start. Do some exercise. Yena pado, by all means. Second place. Congratulations, bro. Okay, thank you, judge, for being the judge. Now you can.
It was a great pleasure.
Now we can go. I've seen the Daytona ride on the off-road. Mind blowing. I don't know how he managed. He was going as fast as I was going. Now he's taking a call. Everybody's waiting for him to finish a call, and then we'll start over. Probably go have coffee again. That's the best thing for a ride.